Hey classes, I noticed there was a lot of issues that some of y'all had regarding how to access homework or how to access the quizzes or the notes or any of those things. So even though we went over this on our first day, I know that was a long time ago and y'all had a lot going on. So I'm going to just go through real quick with you again where to find things in Blackboard. Okay? So first, let's go to course content. All right. So once I'm in course content, each unit is laid out in a folder. All right. So we're currently in Unit 1. And as I open up Unit 1, it has each of the lessons in separate folders. Okay, so we've already done Unit 1, Lesson 1, Unit 1, Lesson 2, and so on. I'm going to go ahead and open up Unit 1, Lesson 3A. All right. Now this is where it gets a little tricky, and I think this is where a lot of y'all are having trouble finding things. All right. So what it ends up doing is it automatically either opens or makes available the very first thing that's in the folder. And the very first thing in all the folders is going to be the PowerPoint. So what I want you to do, if it does open it up, it's going to open it up into a new tab, which means you got to go back to the original tab, okay? And when you go to the other tab, you're going to find this table of contents down at the bottom, all right? Now, the table of contents has the PowerPoint notes. Okay, so you could open that up if you want to get, the notes. It's got a video tutorial, so you could watch the video, maybe learn a little bit, who knows. And then there's the assignment. Okay, so the assignment is always the third thing that is in the folder. Now, when you open the assignment, okay, it takes you to a new screen. All right. Looks like my screen recorder is going to cut it off a little bit, so let me scoot that up. There we go. So it says begin assignment 1-3A demand curve. So you just hit the begin button, boom, and it gives you these 5 questions to answer. All right? And you can answer the 5 questions. If you don't like your grade, you can do it again. And if you don't like that grade, you can do it again. And again and again and again. You can do it an unlimited number of times until you get the grade that you want. All right? So that's where you find each assignment, and there's an assignment after every single class. Okay? Now, I'm going to go back, so I'm going to cancel this out. I don't need to take the quiz or the test or whatever. So I'm going to go back to course content again, okay, because that's a good place to start. All right, so I'm back in course content. Now, inside of the Unit 1 folder, you'll also find the quiz. All right, so each of the quizzes are going to be in in the unit folders. So in this unit, we have 2 quizzes. All right, we have the one over the PPC, and we have one over supply and demand. Okay, when we finish it up. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the PPC one. Now notice it says answer the quiz questions on paper and submit through Blackboard by converting to PDF. Now I say PDF only because it is guaranteed that if you submit it as a PDF, Blackboard can read it. And it's smooth as silk. I can open it. I can grade it. It's super simple. All right. But you can use a lot of other formats as well. You can use JPEGs, PNGs. You can do a doc. All right. I know for a fact that you don't want to use Apple Pages. Okay. The dot pages format cannot be read through Blackboard, so never use that. But you're always safe if you submit as a PDF. Okay. You can use Cam Scanner or a similar app to convert your answers to PDF. All right. Now, once you've done that, if you took a picture or a PDF on your phone, you're going to have to find a way to put that file on your computer so that you can then submit it. So let me go through the actual process here. All right. So here is the quiz. Again, the instructions are very clear right here. It tells you exactly what you're supposed to do. All right. So once you open it up, you have an hour to do the quiz and submit it. All right, so I'm going to hit begin. All right, so again, all of the instructions are up here, so it's very clear what you're supposed to do. All right, this is the entire quiz. There's nothing else. This is it. So you would answer all these questions on paper, take a PDF or a pic of the paper, all right? And then save that somewhere on your computer. And then to turn it in, all all you do is hit this Browse My Computer. Okay, it'll take you to wherever your document is that you want to load. Let's say I've got it here, maybe. Where might a good place be to find it? Here, I'll look here. I think I put something in here. Let's just say I want to submit this PDF. This is the one I want to submit. So I highlight it, hit the open button. It is now being uploaded into Blackboard, where I'll be able to see it. Now, when it's finished uploading, then you hit the Save and Submit button. Okay, that's down here. Let me move my face. Save and Submit. And then your quiz is submitted. That's all you have to do. Okay? Now, I don't know if there's any other things that we needed to clear up, but maybe we go to calendar, because maybe you're really having a hard time finding the quizzes or the test when it's time to take a test, things like that. So notice the quiz that we just took is right here. There's a calendar entry for it. All right? Go to this test. Okay? It's not really a test, it's a quiz. But it gives you the exact same thing. So again, it's not that hard to find if you look for it. Okay? Oh, it looks like I already started this one. I have 58 minutes left. All right? So I hope that helps you to find the things and to navigate Blackboard. If it doesn't help, send me a specific question about what you're having trouble with, and I'll try to help. Okay? Anyway, hopefully that'll do it. Thanks.